Hello, everyone. My name is Nathaniel, and I am live streaming my presentation for IT automation. Hold on. All right. Hello, I'm Nathaniel, and I'll be speaking about IT automation this week, also known as infrastructure automation or just plain automation. So, quick overview of the presentation. There's three sections. We'll be talking about what IT automation is. We'll be talking about why IT automation should be used, and I'll be talking about how it can be done, which will basically be an overview of some popular tools. And there's a few subsections that I'll be digging into, as you can see. So, what is IT automation? What does it include, and what can it be used for? Like I mentioned, IT automation is also sometimes known as infrastructure automation, and it's the use of software to create repeatable instructions and processes to replace or reduce human interactions with IT systems. The goal is little to no human intervention, and it's a key to IT optimization and digital transformation, which I spoke about in my last presentation. Modern IT teams need to be able to be dynamic and have environments that scale faster, and IT automation enables this. And it can also extend and apply to different technologies and methodologies, such as network automation, application deployment, and configuration management, and it can extend into methodologies like DevOps and stuff like cloud computing and security. So, stuff it can be used for. The first two are provisioning and configuration management. So provisioning means setting up the infrastructure, also known as the environments. This used to involve hardware, but now it's moving towards software, which is great because it means we can have infrastructure as code, especially templates from code, which means that we can define an entire environment in code and store that in version control, then have an automated mechanism that will draw those templates from version control and rebuild or build an environment from scratch in the space of minutes or hours, depending on how large your environment is. Then once we have that kind of base environment done, configuration management comes in. That defines the behavior of the infrastructure. So this is stuff like users, file systems, and ports, what that infrastructure needs to actually be used. And this is developer defined and easy to understand by the IT team. Next, we're working with orchestration. So we have infrastructure, we have environments, we have multiple instances of those. And orchestration is the management of multiple automated tasks and processes across many machines, which in itself can be automated. Also, application deployment. If you've worked at a larger organization, you might have worked with an application deployment pipeline where the apps are automatically built, tested, and deployed. And security and compliance, which is neat because you can actually, within that pipeline, embed steps that define and enforce policies through the pipeline. And this allows greater visibility and greater standardization of security processes and workflows. And I do also want to talk a bit about environments. And I believe that will actually come later. So why is it used?